Okay, let's get into the mood. I wanna get into the mood. Let's do it. So if I say hello, I get the hello here, I get the hello there, I get hello everywhere. Everyone is helloing each other. Why not? Okay, let's continue without any kind of pressure of perfectionism. When you are ready to hear, the universe sends you the same information through different channels. I strongly believe in that. And I think recently I was ready to hear that perfectionism is actually a fear of not accomplishing, fear of failure or something like that. So yeah, I was always kind of aware of the thing that perfectionism is really a counterproductive thing, but at the same time I think I was kind of feeling happy, not happy but content with it. But now I see that it is something that I have to like rehabilitate myself. So anyway, now I am able to roll, and I know that I can figure out the upward facing face by looking at the rotation. And which value is 90. So I had this idea. This code, this blueprint is entirely written by ChatGPT, but I'm gonna remove it actually, and I will try to do it myself. So what I'm thinking is, since we are looking at 90, right? If I do something like this, if I take this value, let's say z, right? If I take this z value and multiply it by 3, if I take this value and multiply by 2, and this one is 1 multiplied by 1, and if I add them together, add these two and then add these two, so what I have here is going to be either in absolute values, so plus or minus, it is either going to be 90, 180 or 270. So if I mod this, modulate, yeah, if I modulate this, no, modulate gives me the remainder, right? If I do what? If I divide this by 90, yes. So this should be return value is either 1, 2 or 3. Yeah, let's try to print this actually. What is this? Integer. Okay, so if I print string, this integer, even better, let's do it absolute, and then we print this absolute value. So if I am thinking everything correctly, at each roll I should either see 1, 2 or 3 on the logs. Let's see what happens. And let's think about our hypothesis once more. So I should see 3 or 4 for 1. When I roll 3 or 4, I should see 1. When I roll 2 and 5, I should see 2, and so on. So if I roll a 2, I should see what, 6? What? Two. What did I say? Yeah, so this is true. This works. I rolled a 5 and I got a 2. I rolled a 6 and I got a 1. Wait, I should have gotten 3. No? Now it gave me 0. What? 1. What's going on? Did I? Okay, what's happening here? Times 2 times 3. Let's wait even. Let's wait more. 3. That is not true. 1. 1. 1 again. 2. Wait, what? 1. 0. Shit. I mean, oh, it is getting like minus what? We should do these values What is this? Minus 13 or something. 100? What? Oh, which one is this? So this one has minus 90 and minus 90. What? Oh. Oh shit. We had a very big issue. I see. We should discard one of the... So this one, what is 100? Oh, yes. That's an interesting point. Let's think. Not sure. Let's see. Duration is 20. Why not? I think we will see all the lines converging here, and I still don't know why. Oops. Oh, I cannot cross the... Oh, interesting. What is the logic? Is it because... Hey! How you doing? I'm doing fine. How you doing? I'm trying to figure out how to calculate which face of the die is up, basically, like do it programmatically. I'm not really sure how to do it. Do I do it on a tick? Like, do I have to do this on tick? So I'm rolling this die, and when it stops moving, I wanna know which face is up. This is not okay. 1, 3. This is not working. This line start, face, location. I think this is problem. I need to get the forward. This is not working for some reason. If I get the forward vector, if I print this forward vector, point 3.9. Do you get the world position or the local position? I need to get the world position, right? Because if we look into this, so this is 90. Whatever is 90 will be the so whatever is absolute value 90 is the phase. So when it is x 90, I know it is either 2 or 5, because these are these can be like 0. So I need to figure out a way to get this 90 value. I'm thinking how to do that. I tried to be clever about it, but I didn't consider the halfway rotations. So if it is x equals 90 means 2 or 5. Actually 2 and 5 is minus. Let's do minus 5 and I will understand it. And then no, I don't. if that was the case, it would be a miserable thing, right? I don't do Unreal for a living. I'm still learning, to be honest. So when it is 4, it is y. Y is 90. Okay. So when it is y equals 90, it is either 3 or minus 4. That is also true. But then, so you know, I am quite I am experienced. I have experience with software development, web development, basically, and I come across stuff that I do not know every day. The difference between this and that is, I know how to find solutions to the problems that I do not have the knowledge to solve immediately when I'm doing web development. But with Unreal and with this game dev stuff, I do not have that experience. I'm using ChatGPT to help me, but the solution it offers didn't help me at all. So I'm trying to do it my way, actually. So we can try ChatGPT once more. Let's try once more. Maybe if we can give a better prompt, maybe it can help us. So after the dice stops rolling, if I get the world rotation of the dice, one of the values will always be very close to absolute 90, either 90 or minus 90, but it can be 89.9 or something similar with varying precision. Okay, that is the first input. Yeah, ChatGPT isn't helpful if it doesn't have the full context of the development. Yeah, so let's try to give it a good context. But at the same time, based on the landing of the dice and rolling around because of the physics, other rotation values can be might be there for other axes. No, because quite possibly this can also be 90. Yeah, So it doesn't help me at all. No, this is not helping. Oh, thank you very much. Thanks for stopping by and saying hi. Thank you. I will see you around. I will try to be around. And yeah. Okay. Tell me how to draw an arrow. Pointing forward. Wait, can I put an arrow here in the view part? Yes, I can. Okay. So this is pointing in the X direction. And if I add another arrow, and if I rotate this on the y-axis, right? 90 degrees. What happened? And if I move it like that. Okay. We are getting somewhere. Why not? Where's my arrows? I don't get the arrows. What? Is there a make it visible or something like that? Visible, hidden in game. No, I wanna see it in game. Yes. Okay. Cool. So now, let's be clever about this. Okay, one more arrow. And this one is gonna be rotating like hop, minus 90 on the Z. No? 90 on the Z? I don't get it. Oh shit. You know what? You know what I realized? This is a left-handed coordinate system. I know this, but I was totally oblivious. I forgot about it. Unreal. I should put like a big sticker on my desk. I was thinking all wrong, and I was trying to make sense of the values coming out of the debug console, debug messages. Okay, now so this is interesting. Now we can call this one. This one was what was it? This one is that. So it is pointing in the X. Let's call it ARRX. This one is ARRZ. This one is ARRY. Okay. Now, okay, let's do it once more. So if I get this one and dot, wait, I can't do a dot. Yeah, everyone is looking forward. So if I get the forward vector of ARRX and dot this with world forward, get world up. There is no get world forward. What? No. If I roll 3 or 4, what did it roll? 0. Dot product. Where is it? What's going on? Where is my dot? Where are we getting all these messages? Where am I doing that? Ah, here, I'm doing it here. Shit. Sorry. Okay, let's do it again. So. Zero. What was it? Forward vector. I lost it. Let's make this 20 as well. Vec dot. Nice. So vec dot. Let's see. So z minus 1 forward vector minus 1. Yes, that is true. One. That is true. On other rolls, I should get 0. Yes? It is true. 1, 0. It is true. Oh my god, I think I figured it out. Did I? Yes. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Go to your channel. Let me go to my channel. I am live. Nice. Can I give a thumbs up on YouTube? Yes, I can. Get started. Yes. Okay, good. I think we figured it out. So when I dot this with -1, word up is 0, 0, 1. So yeah, you can just put it here like that. And we don't need these at all. I'm so glad that we managed to do this. So I get the dot, right? If this is 1, I know what it is, and if it is -1, I know what it is. Okay, now I can do it. Now I know this, so I'm gonna do the same. Get forward vector. I'm gonna do the same. Dot this with world local. Okay, let's do it. Let's try. Let's do it. Multiply it with 2. Right? I think I don't need these stuff. Yeah, I feel like I don't need these at all. Not even this one. Okay, let's do the Z as well. So if I copy these like that, and then multiply this by 3. Let's be consistent. Multiply this by 1. So just to look like consistent, you know. Looks nice and clean. Yeah. And then what? Get this. Okay. So now I'm gonna add these two. Add pin. Add these 3. I'm gonna add these 3. And let's print this out. Duration will be 10. So what will happen is, if we roll 1 and 6, we will get a 3. If we roll 5 and 2, we will get a 2. 3 and 4 will get a 1. We'll get a 1. -1. -1. 6 will be 3. Yes, it is. It is 3. Yes. 2 is gonna be 2. 1.99. Yes. -1. I think we figured it out. I think we figured it out, guys. Yes. So now how can we if we normalize this, can I normalize it? It's a double precision. If I convert it to integer, what happens? If I convert it to integer, do I get the exact number? Oh! Drop? Yes. 1 1 -2 -1 2. Nice. Oh, I'm feeling so happy right now. Okay, so now we have this one. This is an integer, please. So since this is an integer, you can get the value and the can I just do a switch maybe? Can I just do random switch like a what? I can't? Switch on int. Yes. Okay. So if it is 1, wait, what? Really? Do I need, really? Okay. You know what? I'm not gonna complain. I'm gonna make an enum. Let's see if there is an enum for numbers. This is silly, but whatever. Wait, what's going on? No. 1 -1. I don't want to do a bunch of ifs. Tell me a clever way to get the I finally managed to, you know what? I created arrows facing X, Y, Z of the dice. Then after roll is complete, I am doing a dot product of each arrow results are multiplied with 1, 2, 3 respectively, so and then all of them added. So we either get 1 -1 or 2 -2 or 3 -3 as the end result. So I have all the information I need. If it is 1, now I need to first get the sign plus or minus and the value of the end result. If it is 1, dice value is 3, minus 1 dice value is 4, 2 dice value is 4, 2 dice value is 2 is this 5, 4 minus 2 dice value is 2, for 3 dice value is 1, for minus 3 dice value is 6. How can we write this algorithm elegantly? Is it true? So am I correct? Minus 1. Oh, I removed the print. Yes. Okay, one more. When it is 2, it is 2. Yes. It is minus 2. Yes. For 6, it is minus 3. Okay. So, tell me. I wanna convert this to integer. Oh, retry. Go on. Lovely, you basically built a compact axis 1D sign encoding system. Okay, so I can get the sign and then I can get the absolute. Okay. I see. Okay. So if I switch on this, if it is 1, absolute value, this is sine value, local, we need to world up, we don't need this, yeah, I also don't need this one. So we are gonna get this and then switch on int like that, which will start at 1, and sine value, get it if not if are we gonna say if sine is 0? Okay, so I'm gonna just say greater than 0. No, wait, I can just do it here, greater than 0, and then we can store this here. No, sine value greater than 0. Why not? Boolean change. I can even call it like this. Yeah. So if we can branch here and the condition is this would look much cleaner. Yes. And then basically I can copy this 3 times. Like 2. Anyway, yeah. Like that. And then here we can say roll value and integer, right? Okay. So close. We are coming so close. Why it is not working? Oh, because of the thing. Okay. Wait, what? So if it is 1, what did we say? I wrote it here. If it is 1, it is gonna be 3. Okay. So if it is 1 and sine GTO greater than 0, we have 3, which means this is -4. If it is 2 and sine is positive, we have 5, and this is 2. Why did I say -4 here? Stupid. It is 4. 5, 2. And if its sign is positive, we have 1. If it is negative, we have 6. And then we return. Ooh! And return the roll value, like that. So finally, after here, let's print here. Print the roll value for 10 seconds. Let's see. 4, 4, 5, 2. Okay. I might have messed it up. 6, 6. Okay, so wait, what? 4. Oops. Why is it always getting 4? What is going on? Did I mess up? It's always getting 4. What's happening? If it is true, and no, it is not. I felt like I had it figured out. What am I missing here? 5. Oh, because fuck. Sorry. Okay, so I forgot to set it here. Okay. What's going on? What? What do you mean? You weren't complaining about this just a minute ago. Hello, welcome to integer. Is there a to int to integer? Can I do this? Yeah, maybe this is better. Let's see if this works. Please work. Four, 6, 5, 2. Why 2? 6. No. 4. Okay, it's getting messy. Why? 5. 5 is true. So 2 giving me 4. Why? Shit. Am I missing something? 4 is 4. 4 is 4. Which is great. I'm trying to. Is it random numbers? No, it is. So the dice is rolling with the physics. What I'm trying to achieve is when the dice lands, stops moving, I want to determine the value. Hello, Patrick. I want to determine the value facing the top. So basically, the roll dice roll. So when I rolled it, it landed on 5. I see a 5, which is great. But 3, which is great. But after, on the subsequent rolls, 5, 5, which is great. I'm still detecting the correct dice. Maybe 3 still working. Maybe when I do it many times, like faster, maybe that messes up. 6, 6, still going great. Maybe that is like a pointer issue. Can it happen like that? I'm not really sure. 6, 6. So for some reason this is working, but 6. Ah, you see? I have 6, but it evaluated 2. Why? In order to get a 2, I should have a 2. When they touch together, 3, 3, 5, 5, 6, 2. Okay. So why? Why is this happening? Try to make the dice respawn a little higher. What do you mean? It is spawning at 5 meters or something. Five, 3. Interesting. Could it be like, I don't know, 2, 4? What do you mean by respawning a little higher? I mean, what would that achieve? Is rolling. Maybe I should make it even more. I should wait for it to really stop. Five, 2, 4. Is it because of the 3, 6, 2, 4? Going to lurk. Okay, thank you, Patrick, as always, much appreciated. Could be about this. Maybe it really needs to stop. Three, what? 5, 4, 3, what? 5, 4, 6. Yeah, I think it's about when I consider the dice stopped, it changes everything. But why? Let me try to see. So before doing all this stuff, oops, let me try to print the absolute value that I calculated. 10 apps. Yeah, because the absolute value is gonna be the addition of all this truncated to an integer. Okay. It is 1. 3 and 6. One and 3. So far so good. I want to change the color because it is messing with my brain. I think, okay, and then let's go here. So roll, let's call it roll, make it orange, whatever. Okay, so this will help me. Okay, 4 and 1. What? That is not true. So it calculated 1 and the sign is negative. What? Why? Why would it think that 4 is facing up? I mean, what can I do here? I made it basically okay. 5. 1 and 3. What the hell is this? Shit. Why? Three, this is true. 4, 3, 4. Come on. Why? I need some. I'm gonna go crazy. Why? Is it because of this? I think I need to do one more thing. After this, I need to clamp. Not clamp, but reject if it is not 1. if absolute equals 1, this doesn't have an execution pin. How does it work? Okay, so if I do like dot x, this is a float. If it is false, it is gonna be 0. And then this is gonna be like that. Do the same. Önce git bunu yap. Sonra git bunu yap. Sonra git bunu yap. You don't have to continue here. And finally, you can go do this. Okay. No. Fucked it up. It's always 0. What is happening? Should I convert it to integer maybe? It might be because it is not exactly. Rounds up to integer. Floor round to integer. Yeah, maybe I can do it like that. FU. Dude. Let's see. So X, either when I roll 3 or 4, I should see a 1. Okay, there it is. This should be a 0, 1, 0. So this is working. What is not working? Okay, so if I print here rolled what 3, Yes, let's write here rolled 3. So if I see a rolled 3, I should know that this dot product, absolute of dot product, when it is rounded to the integer, is equal to 1. I should see that. Right? Let's wait for a 3. This is funny. 4. Roll 3. What? Shit. Oh no. Okay, that is also okay. Roll 3. Okay, so since that is an absolute, that's okay. Can I also print this value? Yeah. So I should see rolled, let's say rolled 3 or 4. Yeah. Rolled 3 or 4. So I should see a 1, roll 3 or 4, and then see the dot value. This is gonna be 0. Dot value is 0. Why? Okay, that is the problem. Oh wait, no. Now I understand. No, I don't understand. What is happening? I'm so confused right now. So if this is I'm returning this absolute value and seeing it as 1. No, I should come here and then go here. Okay, one more time. Oh, it didn't land. Yeah. Come on, what? Okay, why is it happening like that now? Wait, did I just connected them wrong? What did I do? Ah, I did a stupid thing. Okay, so here we go. We come here, and then this goes here, this goes here, this goes here, this goes here. Okay, I connected this. My bad. So 3. Roll 3 or 4. It is 1, which is true. And if I roll a 4, it should say -1. 3 is 1. Let's roll a 4. Let's get a 4. Come on, you can give me a 4. Give me a 4. I wanna see -1 on a 4 roll. Come on. I should be able to roll a 4 at some point. There we go. -1. Yeah. So why can you calculate? So dot x yes. Oh my god. Shit. I am totally and absolutely stupid here. What the hell? I mean, yeah, this should be a lesson, like copy pasting is bad. Okay, so this should work, hopefully. Come on, please work, please. 5, give me 5. No, wait, 3. What should I be seeing there? Shit. Why? 2? No, it gives me a 4. It gives me a 4. 3. Okay, I'm gonna go. My brain melted. Math is hard. And what else? I don't know. Shit. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I'm frustrated. I will recollect, calm myself down, and figure this out. Bye. Thanks for joining me. Thanks. Let's see if there is anyone around. Nice. Okay. Why is this online? Offline. What? Okay, anyway, I'm gonna go.